Okay, you want me to take some pictures? Here's the back part. I got that mowed Saturday, and you know, I'll hit it next week after next with my tractor and brush hog. But I got to do a little bit of work on my trailer that I haul that with. But here's the carport from the back end. As you can see, I got that cleaned up. Got a couple brush piles going. What I will do is I'll let that dry out, and this fall I will take and put a torch to it. This is what it looks like from the next door neighbors now. As you can see, if you can take and zoom in on this, you can zoom through there. You can see that that's pretty much cleaned out. Here I'll walk around this way on the front. Here's a brush pile that I started Saturday, and then I finished hauling all that stuff into there today. I got that tree trimmed up. Got it trimmed up where you can get easy access to that AC unit that you wanted. Got the front porch pretty much cleaned up. Here's the other brush pile. We're starting to make a curb appeal a lot better than what it was. Still not perfect, but what I can do, I'll talk to you about it, but I was thinking about adding something to it every other week whenever I come to mow. But as you can see, got this easy access, but I also need to talk to you about demoing this front porch. It's pretty much pretty sad shape. Broken down right there, the roof's falling in. But all in all, I got the trees trimmed back like you asked. I can trim some more on these out here if you want. Probably will anyway. Make it easier for me to mow. Anyway, I told you I'd take pictures. I thought I'd do, hopefully this is better than that, I'd do a video. I'd like to talk to you about that El Camino and this little Ford pickup sitting out in the front. But other than that, give me a call. 817-522-3424. Again, that number, 817-522-3424. Covi Land Services, Dan Johnson. Thank you.